Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Humana app for health plan and coverage tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Humana app for health plan and coverage tracking, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, this is the App Store. For Android users, look for the Google Play Store. Once you have opened the App Store, use the search function at the top of the screen. Type Humana into the search bar and hit enter. Look for the official Humana app in the search results. Confirm that the app is published by Humana Incorporated. Tap on the app icon to open its details page. Review the app description, ratings, and reviews to ensure it meets your needs. Press the download or install button. If prompted, enter your Apple ID, Google account password, or use your biometric authentication. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Humana app on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. On the initial launch, you may need to accept terms and conditions. Follow any on-screen prompts to set up your account if you're a new user. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. Once logged in, you can begin tracking your health plan and coverage. Explore the app's features to familiarize yourself with its functions. If you need assistance, use the in-app help feature or visit the Humana website for additional support. Now you are ready to manage your health plan efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.